carbon fiber home office desks with large monitor stand, graphite black, Mr. Ironstone gaming desk with LED lights and power outlet, L-shaped PC corner desk with cup holder and headphone hook. Dimensions of the Mr. Ironstone shape: L-shaped computer desk, graphite black color. Dimensions 50, 1dx18, 2wx36h. Modern top material type: base material alloy steel. Special engineered wood. Feature: office, dorm, gaming room, living room, classroom, built-in USB outlet, cup holder, headphone hook, computer desk with monitor stand, adjustable room type. Incredible LED strip lights. The greatest gaming experience is provided by the Mr. Ironstone L-shaped gaming desk with LED lighting. This L-desk complies with aesthetic standards thanks to its 16 primary colors and numerous dynamic settings. High adhesion 3M tape and a double-layer snap ring stop the LED strip from moving. Lighting from going out. Please remove the plastic chip from the remote control's bottom before using. Extra desk accessories. This computer desk includes a cup holder, a headphone hook, and an integrated power strip. The 78.7 inches wire length, 3 outlets, and 2 USB ports make it simple to charge a computer, smartphone, or gaming equipment quickly. You can enjoy the game more comfortably by adjusting where the cup holder and headphone hook are located. Plenty of room and new height design. The computer desk's 50.1x 18.2 and 50.1x 6.5 wide desktops offer plenty of space. The ergonomic monitor stand's 6.9 height makes it easier to organize the workspace while maintaining the screen's eye level. Moreover, the bottom special strut is created for legs rest. The PC gamer desk is made of superior materials and has a sturdy, anti-skid, and easy-to-clean carbon fiber surface that has been approved by SCS and SGS No. SCS CARB 397HK, CARB divided by 2018-05-2001. The gaming table won't shake at all while you play thanks to its X-shaped legs. 6 additional foot pads can be raised or lowered to keep this corner desk stable even on a slope. Installation instructions for the Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk are comprehensive and simple to understand. Simply feels like putting them together is like playing building blocks. Additionally, we offer a 3-year warranty, an excellent customer service that is accessible every day of the week, 24 hours a day. If you have any issues with the gaming desk L-shape, we will do everything we can to help.